Remove all illegal checkpoints nationwide. Reps orders IGP over Ihiala crash. Remove all illegal checkpoints nationwide. Reps order IGP over Ihiala crash. Following the fatal auto accident that reportedly claimed the lives of over 20 persons on Sunday, November 28, 2021, at Ihiala, Anambra State, the House of Representatives has asked the Inspector General of Police (IGP) Usman Baba Alkali to immediately remove all illegal checkpoints across the country. The resolution was reached after considering a motion by the member representing Ihiala Federal Constituency of the state, Honorable Ifeanyi Muma, at Wednesday plenary. The House also mandated the IGP to direct the Commissioner of Police in Anambra State to review the location of the police checkpoint in Ihiala with a view to forestalling further occurrence of such disaster, especially during the festive season. Titled Need to Investigate Loss of So Many Lives Along the Onitsha-Owerri Express Road within Ihiala Federal Constituency, the motion also urged the military to relocate their checkpoint in the state to the border towns. Presenting the motion, Muma noted that for over 2 years, military and police checkpoints in Ihiala Onitsha-Owerri Express Road have been operational to quell insecurity in the state. He, however, said that road users have since been subjected to devastating, degrading, and inhuman treatment occasioned by the operation of the military and police checkpoints in that area. He said, being a major express road, the negative impact of this military checkpoint has been grave on the community as well as all the road users. In the menace, no one is spared. All suffer under the weight of the oppression. Men, women, children are forced to alight from their cars and raise their hands and pass through the checkpoint. Nursing and pregnant women are also not spared. In fact, nursing mothers are made to carry their babies up high as they walk across the checkpoint, sometimes being forced to walk for over 1 kilometer. Very recently, a pregnant woman on a bike was whipped thoroughly at the military checkpoint. Traditional rulers are also stopped and searched in an embarrassing manner, including ransacking of their traditional attire. The military and police checkpoints are located in the middle of the busiest road in the entire local government area, opposite Abbott Boys Secondary School. Opposite Abbott Boys Secondary School, Ihiala, and opposite Ihiala Divisional Police Headquarters, both located within the same axis, an area that ought not to be associated with a military checkpoint, as is popular knowledge. Military checkpoints are to be stationed at border communities. This military checkpoint ought to be mounted at Amoka community, which is the border between Ihiala local government and Imo State, and not its current location, which is commercial hub crammed with markets, businesses, schools, etc. The town leaders have also asked that the checkpoint be relocated because of these hazards mentioned above in order to mitigate the calamitous consequences of the current situation. Yet this dreadful situation persists with no glimmer of hope of improvement. The lawmaker recalled that on Saturday, the 30th day of May 2020, a police makeshift road blockage was the cause of a fatal accident at Ihiala, which led to the death of a trailer driver and his conductor, as well as over 10 bus passengers. On Thursday, the 4th day of November 2021, at about 15:50 hours, an accident involving 3 vehicles on the Onitsha-Owerri-Ihiala road on Sunday claimed the lives of 3 children and 6 adults, according to the Federal Road Safety Corps, as the driver, upon sighting the police checkpoint, tried to apply brake but couldn't thus resulting in the fatal accident, according to eyewitness. Most recently, on Saturday, the 28th day of November 2021, a trailer carrying a container of load of goods ran over 20 public road users who died on the spot, Moma said. Briefing journalists after the plenary, Moma, however, said he was not averse to the mounting of checkpoints, but not being in a manner that would jeopardize the well-being of the people. Adopting the motion after securing support of the majority of its members, the House mandated its Committee on Police Affairs and Legislative Compliance to enjoin compliance to the resolution. Following the fatal auto accident that reportedly claimed the lives of over 20 persons on Sunday, November 28, 2021, at Ihiala, Anambra State, the House of Representatives has asked the Inspector General of Police IGP Usman Baba Alkali to immediately remove all illegal checkpoints across the country. The resolution was reached after considering a motion by the member representing Ihiala Federal Constituency of the state, Honorable Ifeanyi Moma, at Wednesday plenary. The House also mandated the IGP to direct the Commissioner of Police in Anambra State to review the location of